Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming why Android is blocked by an IT admin. Open Settings and go straight to Security or Biometrics. Locate Device Admin Apps to see which app enforces policies. If it's a work profile or device owner, note the account and MDM name. Make sure you have the device PIN and the Google account credentials ready. These speed recovery. If this is a corporate device, contact IT now and request temporary removal or guidance. Once identified, move to disable or remove the admin app safely. Once you know the admin app, attempt to disable it in device admin settings by unchecking its permission. You'll be prompted for the device PIN or account password, so enter it. After deactivation, go to Apps, open the app, then uninstall or force stop and clear data to remove persistent rules. If the uninstall button is grayed out, restart into safe mode to prevent third-party admins from running, then uninstall. If the device is device owner locked, prepare to contact the admin or use factory reset with account credentials. Finish by restarting the phone and checking settings where the restriction appeared. Confirm the policy no longer applies. If the admin remains, back up your data and consider a factory reset, but only proceed if you have the Google account and password to avoid FRP lock. If reset isn't possible or the device is corporate-owned, escalate to the IT admin with the device serial, screenshots, and exact error messages. One tip: if things go wrong, document errors and request an admin-initiated unenroll to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.